Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokemeow on Discord. To begin your journey, first add the Pokemeow bot to your Discord server. Once added, type P, start in any channel to initiate your adventure. You will then be prompted to choose your very first starter Pokémon from a selection of 3 unique creatures. This initial choice sets the stage for your entire Pokemeow experience, so choose wisely. The thrill of Pokemeow comes from catching wild Pokémon. These creatures appear randomly in active Discord channels, so keep an eye out. When one appears, quickly type P, catch followed by the Pokémon's name to attempt a capture. Speed is key, as other players in the server can also try to catch the same Pokémon. Successfully catching them expands your collection and strengthens your team. Once you have a team, you can engage in exciting battles. Use P, battle to challenge other players or even non-player characters. Training your Pokémon is crucial. As they gain experience, their levels and stats will increase significantly. Many Pokémon can also evolve into more powerful forms, unlocking new abilities and making them formidable opponents in any match. This progression is vital for success. Pokemeow offers a vibrant community experience. You can trade Pokémon with other players using the P trade command, helping you complete your collection or acquire rare species. Participate in various server events and climb the global leaderboards to showcase your skills. For the latest updates, tips, and to connect with fellow trainers, be sure to join the official Pokemeow Discord server. It's a great resource.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.